See this gummy? Besides being delicious and adorable, it's also made with CBD. CBD is an amazing multi-purpose molecule with a wide range of benefits. It's in pain creams, bath bombs, oil tinctures, vape pens, and on and on. But it's CBD gummies that have become by far the most widely used way to experience the benefits of CBD. So today, we're taking a deeper look at everything that you need to know about CBD gummies. So what exactly is CBD? CBD is short for cannabidiol, which is a versatile active compound that comes from the hemp plant. CBD is actually one of over 100 different active compounds called cannabinoids that come from hemp, compounds like CBG or THC. But unlike THC, CBD is not psychoactive. CBD has its own list of benefits thanks to the unique way it interacts with our body. And it's also extremely versatile. CBD can be used in many, many ways. So where does CBD come from? It starts with the hemp plant, which is one of the most productive, fastest growing plants in the world. The process begins when the plants are harvested and dried. From there, the hemp is compressed using CO2 to extract the cannabinoids to produce CBD oil. The process of using organic hemp and CO2 extraction is a preferred way of separating the compounds because there's no chemical solvents being used. And finally, the extracted CBD oil is used in making topicals, tinctures, and gummies. But what exactly are CBD gummies? CBD gummies are soft candy that are either infused or coated with CBD oil. They come in hundreds of flavors, colors, shapes, sizes, and concentrations of CBD, with the average dose generally ranging from 5 to 30 milligrams per gummy. How are CBD gummies made? CBD gummies are made the same way as regular gummies, only with CBD infused or coated on the surface. While bigger companies use professional equipment to mass produce CBD gummies, it's actually possible to make CBD gummies yourself using a few basic ingredients and cooking supplies from around the house. Take a look at our video on making CBD gummies at home to find out how. But whether you're making them at home or buying them online, all CBD gummies break down into two basic categories: full spectrum and isolate gummies. Which leads us to our next question. What's the difference between isolate and full spectrum CBD? Full spectrum CBD contains a lot of other cannabinoids from an entire hemp plant like CBN, CBC, CBG, and terpenes, which all have specific benefits individually and combined benefits when taken together. Isolate CBD, on the other hand, is refined to contain only CBD. But whether it's isolate or full spectrum, what can you expect to feel with CBD gummies? CBD gummies should generally provide a feeling of relaxation. Some people take CBD gummies to combat day-to-day stress. Some use them to find relief after a tough workout, or when they feel restless before bed. CBD gummies are a natural supplement designed to suit a variety of lifestyles. So another question that comes up a lot is how many CBD gummies should I eat? With gummies, you have anywhere between 10 to 50 milligrams of CBD per piece. Body weight and tolerance in CBD are important factors when finding the exact amount that's right for you. You can check out our CBD dosage chart as a guide to finding the right balance. But as always, it's best to speak to a medical professional about the right number of gummies to take. How long do CBD gummies last? When questioning how long CBD lasts, it's important to realize that no two bodies are the same. Where the effects may start to fade for one person in a couple of hours, for someone else, it may take 2 to 3 times as long. Each person's metabolism and weight are important factors, as well as the size and potency of each edible. And that's why it's smart to start out slow and then gradually increase the amount of CBD you take. What are the things to look out for when buying CBD gummies? It's important to make sure that the CBD in your gummies comes from organically grown hemp. It's also a good idea to make sure that the CBD gummies are independently lab tested. Where can I find CBD gummies? CBD gummies are 100% legal and available in stores and online. JustCBD is the #1 seller of CBD gummies with an incredible line of products from gummy bears, sour worms, peach rings, and a lot more, all made with organically grown hemp and independently lab tested. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for all things CBD.